Hi, John Morgan here with Bob's Market. Today I am on a tour of both public and private gardens here in Athens County. And it's being hosted by the Athens County Humane Society. This first garden, it is the Wistendal native plant garden, and it's a public garden. So it is right here at the community center. So I recommend stopping by and checking it out. So let's take a closer look at some of the plants. We're here at our first private garden on the tour, and this garden has everything from the front entrance, which is just beautiful, to this amazing raised bed vegetable garden. I'm going to do some close-ups here, but also there's a greenhouse and a koi pond. So can't wait to show you everything in this garden. So here we have a before shot of this beautiful garden, and here's what it looks like now. Beautiful stonework and terracing. Here we have another before, and this after is amazing. Here we are at another beautiful public display. This is at Ahia Health's Urgent Care, and believe it or not, they have beds here with over 30 different types of peonies. So let's take a look at those. It's starting to kind of rain, so let's take a little break and look at a slideshow of some of these beautiful blooms. We're here at the fourth stop on the garden tour, and this house has a beautiful mix of shade-loving perennials and spring flowers. Let's check it out. Here we are on the 5th stop of the garden tour. We've left the town of Athens and now we're over in Amesville. And this yard, it is unique and really gorgeous. Here we are at stop number 6 on the garden tour, and as you can see, it's a little damp. Here we are at the 7th stop on the tour, and behind me is a lovely pollinator garden that was actually sponsored by AARP. Here we are at the last stop on the garden tour, and we're at this beautiful farm in Amesville where they have this simply majestic pond.